guys, what's up? We're at Aquatica Orlando, where we've been invited out to check out the new Aqua Glow event. Let's go inside and take a look. Over here right past security, we got some little balls here, glow balls in the waterfalls. And right past admissions, you have a photo op. So you have the little kiwi bird, you got a lizard there, and yeah, pretty cool. And they actually got this pretty cool reception area where they got drinks, some merchandise, they got a DJ over here, and they also got a cool bubble wall. Yeah, everything inside. Over here we have the food, so yeah, they got a bunch of cool sweet treats and savory treats. So they have a blue shirt, a pink shirt, you got some sandals, some cups, and they also have a towel and some other shot glasses. And here's actually the map of where everything's at. So you can see the Electric Tides Laser Show, Roller Rapids Amped Up, Jellyfish Garden, Foam Party, Tubular Sky, UV Bubble Zone, Specialty Drinks, and Specialty Menu. And over here they have all the drinks. So they have the Ehu's Watermelon Aid Cooler. They have the Wise Blue Raspberry Splash and the Tassie's Tropical Twist. And they got these cool drink things where they actually cycle in it for you. So that's pretty cool. Check it out. They got these cool jellyfish in the trees all lit up through the pathway. And here we'll try out the lazy river, the Loggerhead Lane. So it looks like we got some tubes above here. Pretty cool, colorful tubes. Very nice. Other than that, the only thing I saw in the actual tubes was the glow-in-the-dark things where you inflate it. But that's pretty much about it on here. But yeah, very cool stuff. So over in the main wave pool area, they have a laser show. It's going to be going off every 30 minutes, so we are waiting for that. Girl, they have another photo op that says "Let's Aqua Glow Crazy." It's kind of got the chalkboard paint kind of motif. Yeah, that's cool. They got the light posts all decorated in lights, of course. But yeah, they got some green, red, and then red and yellow. Over in the distance, we got a neon tree coming up. And this is where the fast, lazy river is. So that's another one that's decorated in the Aqua Glow style. So we're gonna go ahead and ride that one next. So that's the Roas Rapids. Let's go over the tree here and see exactly what's got on it. It's got, of course, all kinds of rainbow colors. Off there is the foam party, which we'll check out a little bit later. But yeah, that's got that going on over here. Over by the foam party, we also got another kind of wall mural. It's got a flamingo, Aqua Glow, some more little decorations here. Time to get glowy on Roas Rapids. Let's see exactly what they got going on. At the entrance, they have Aqua Glow Aquatica 2024. Alright, here we go. On the right side, we got kind of a coral neon kind of deal. And of course, we got a splashy down the rear. Woo! So this is kind of cool. We have a neon archway. Very neat. It looks a lot better at night than when you first come in during the daytime. So yeah, very cool. More coral on the right side, and also you can see the jellyfish that we also saw earlier on the pathway. Coming up on the bridge, you see green lights, and you also hear some poppin' beats. So for this lazy river, you do have to wear a life jacket, but I kind of like it because, you know, sometimes you don't want to walk around, you want to be lazy. We've got some more fountains coming up here. More coral on the right side. And wait to see what's up next with the glow. So we just walked through a foggy bridge with red lighting, so that's kind of cool. Over by Rhode and you can see some crazy people over here are dancing. But yeah, there's like a net or balloons at the edge here to keep the foam contained, and I just got shot up by some foam. It feels really weird, but yeah, that's over here. So another cool thing about the event is you get complimentary soda, and here's where you get your cup. So you can fill it up as many times as you like throughout the event. And more glow merchandise over by Kiwi Traders. You got these little spinners, glow bubble wands. And then over here they have more glow bubble wands and then glow swords. I don't think we forgot about the clothing. We got some glow visors, and we also got some squid headwear. And yeah, we also got these cool Elmo and Cookie Monster lanterns, star necklaces, and then some swords. Right before you exit, they also have more of these glow balls. And they also have this placard just like they had over by Roas Rapids. So that's gonna do it from Aquatica Orlando for the Aqua Glow event. We gotta see all the cool glow items here. So yeah, we gotta go on Roas Rapids, which had the cool archways and you know the coral and everything in there, and that was really neat because it's got the fast moving thing. So even though it was fast moving, I still gotta, you know, check everything out. And the laser show inside the wave pool, that's going on like about every 30 minutes or so, and after that you get all the waves coming in, so that's pretty cool. The foam party, great for all ages, I would say. Throughout the park you have, you know, all the jellyfish in the trees, and all the cool photo ops, and plus you get all the complimentary beverages. So I'd say it's, you know, a great event for the first year here, and definitely you guys should check it out. Other than that, we'll be back for more events at the park, so you guys follow us on our socials, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!